In this video we will be looking at as how to compile and link multiple C++ files. First of all, we will look at the directory structure. This is the base directory. You will see what all directories are there. There are two directories. One is my code directory and other is my header directory. In my code directory there is complex.cpp file, and in my header directory there is complex.h file. You can see it. See complex.cpp and complex.h. Now we will go to gedit. Here we have opened all three files here. The first one is the main.cpp file. Here we have to include complex.h file. Here the point to note is that it is included in the quotes. If we include it like we include the standard directories, then the compiler will look for complex.h in the standard installation directory instead of the current directory, or instead of the path which we specify during our compilation process. Then here it is as usual, namespace standard. Then we are outputting here creating complex class. Here we are calling one argument constructor, and here we are calling two argument constructor. Then we are outputting the real and imaginary parts of the C2 object. Coming to complex.header file. Here these are the preprocessor directives. So here these are the tokens complex_h. If this token was not existing before, then it will define this token and include this inside the class. The benefit of doing this, the benefit of writing if not defined, is that it will not include the multiple copies of the code. Otherwise it will include the multiple copies of same code. Here we see that there is a double real and imaginary, and then there is a constructor. There is another constructor with two arguments, and there is a default argument of 0. And here there is the get real part and get imaginary part and the destructor. Coming to complex.cpp, here we have included the complex.h file, and these are this is the no argument constructor, and this is the initialization list. This is how we can initialize the attributes of the class or the attributes of the object. Then this is the double argument constructor, and here is the destructor, and these are the two methods. Now coming to the command line. Here first of all we will compile the .cpp file which is there in the my codes directory. Okay, for this we will write g++, then we will include the path of the header file minus capital I, then the path, okay, then the source file. This is -c compile only flag, complex.cpp output complex.o. Okay, now it has compiled successfully. We are having one complex.o file here. Now we will go to the main directory. Here now we will compile and link as well as link the files. Here we will again write g++ -i. This is to include the header files. Then we will put the name of our own source file, which is Then we will write the file, then we will include the compiled file which is of C++. So for that we will write okay. Now the output of the program main dot o. Okay, it has compiled successfully. Now we will run this program. See, we have got the desired output, creating class, as can be seen from here.